Every day you might be doing things that are slowly killing your car. These aren't the obvious mistakes. These are the small, hidden habits that silently lead to huge, avoidable repair bills. Most of the biggest car problems are preventable, yet many of us make these mistakes without a second thought. Are you one of them? First up, ignoring your dashboard warning lights. That check engine light isn't a suggestion, it's your car screaming for help. Ignoring it can turn a simple fix, like a loose gas cap, into a financial disaster like a failed catalytic converter. When a light comes on, get it checked out. A small bill today is so much better than a huge one tomorrow. Next, delaying oil changes. The old 3,000-mile rule is outdated, but that doesn't mean you can forget about them. Oil is your engine's lifeblood. When it gets old, it turns into thick sludge and destroys your engine from the inside. So, what's the right schedule? Forget guessing, check your owner's manual. It has the exact recommendation for your car. This next one is a classic mistake when you're in a hurry. Revving a cold engine. When your car is cold, oil needs time to circulate. If you start it up and immediately drive hard, you're grinding metal on metal without proper lubrication. The fix is simple. Start the car and wait 30 to 60 seconds, then drive gently for the first 5 minutes to let everything warm up safely. Habit number 4 is ignoring your tire pressure. Underinflated tires are dangerous, wear out much faster, and destroy your gas mileage. The correct pressure isn't on the tire itself, it's on a sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. Check your tires once a month with a cheap pressure gauge, always when they're cold. It takes 2 minutes and saves you real money. This habit is incredibly dangerous. Skipping brake checks. Your brakes are designed to wear out. That high-pitched squeal you might hear isn't random. It's a built-in warning that your brake pads are low. If you ignore it, you'll eventually hear a horrible grinding sound. That's the sound of your repair bill tripling because you've destroyed the expensive rotors too. At the first squeal, get your brakes checked immediately. Okay, we're halfway through. If you're finding this helpful, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We drop videos like this every week to help you save money. Let's talk tires again. The habit is not rotating them. On most cars, your front tires wear out much faster than the rears. If you never rotate them, you'll be buying new tires far too often. Rotating them ensures they all wear down evenly, maximizing their lifespan. Just have it done every 5,000 to 8,000 miles. An easy thing to do with your oil change. Oil isn't the only fluid in your car. People forget about transmission fluid, coolant, and brake fluid until it's way too late. Neglecting these can lead to a fried transmission, an overheated engine, or even brake failure. The same goes for filters. A clogged engine air filter chokes your engine's performance. Just check your owner's manual for the service schedule on all of them. This mistake happens at the pump, using the wrong octane fuel to save a few cents. If your car's manufacturer requires premium gas, using regular can cause engine knock. This can cause serious damage over time and it hurts your fuel economy, so you aren't actually saving any money. Check your manual. If it says premium is required, use it. Habit 9 is neglecting your car's battery. That fuzzy blue or white corrosion on the terminals can choke off power and stop your car from starting. Don't wait until you're stranded. Pop the hood once in a while. If you see corrosion, you can clean it in 5 minutes with a wire brush and a mix of baking soda and water. This simple check ensures your car starts when you need it to. And our final habit is the biggest one of all, skipping scheduled maintenance entirely. Your owner's manual has a maintenance schedule designed by the engineers who built your car. It's a roadmap to catch small problems before they become huge, expensive ones. Ignoring it isn't saving money, it's gambling. Following that guide is the single best thing you can do to avoid those nightmare repair bills. So there you have it, 10 habits that can quietly drain your bank account. But I promised you a final game-changing tip. Learn to listen to your car. Your vehicle is always communicating with new sounds, smells, and vibrations. Don't just turn the radio up to ignore them. Pay attention. Catching a small issue today can prevent a catastrophic failure tomorrow. Are you guilty of any of these? Let me know down in the comments. And if this video helped you out, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss our next one. Thanks for watching and drive safe.